Why do you want to punch a hole in the wall? Well, hi, I'm Techno Ted, and today I'm going to show you how to punch a hole in the wall. So step one is you got to find a wall. Here's a wall. Step two is make sure the wall is made of drywall. If it's made of plaster or concrete, you're going to break your hand. Step three, get a stud finder. Make sure it works. Yep, it works. Step four, get a pencil. Step five, find a hollow space in the wall. So the wall has what's called studs in it, 2x4s going vertical. And so you have 2x4 studs going about every 16 inches. So if you use a stud finder, you can figure out where the studs are. So step 45, mark the spot where you want to punch a hole in the wall. Okay, so right there, mark an X. So now I should add a little caveat here, is that you could break your hand or your fingers. But let me give you little tips on how to avoid that. First of all, when you punch, first thing is you never put your thumb inside here, you'll dislocate your thumb. So fingers down, bring your thumb down like this. And then when you hit, you want to hit with these two knuckles right here. So whatever you want to hit it square on. Not at an angle because you'll sprain your wrist or break your wrist. You want to hit these two knuckles square on like this. Step 72, practice punching your hand. And if it hurts, it's good. Pain is good. So the next step is get yourself really psyched up. Get yourself really like hyped up. You know, eat a candy bar, get your sugar going, get your adrenaline pumping, slap yourself in the face. Yeah, it worked. Okay, ready? Part 2 of this series is how to fix a hole in your wall because some jerk just punched it. Hand works okay. You have to be careful because you could break these bones too. So look at that, it's perfectly fist-shaped. So you might be asking, why do you want to punch a hole in the wall? Well, let's say you needed a hole right about here. Instead of going down and getting all the necessary tools, you could just punch it in there. Yeah. Why would you want a hole right around here? Maybe you had some contraband that you want to get rid of really fast and you want to stick it down inside the wall. And then I suppose you could put a picture over it because a hole in the wall is kind of obvious. Maybe somebody might notice a hole in the wall. I don't know about you, but I think I would notice something like this. Stay tuned for part 2 where we teach you how to fix a wall because some jerk punched a hole in it. Hit subscribe, hit a thumbs up if you like it, and we'll see you next time.